Hey guys, Derek here. So here I am. I am now in my, as they would say, man cave. Doing just an unboxing of an A20, Geeetech A20. This only came in a few days ago. Haven't had time to open it until now. So I'm going to open it just to show you what I'll get inside. And then I will do another video tomorrow, so I can build it and you can see the outcome of that. Okay, so here we go. So, like I said, it's just going to be an unboxing so you can see what I'm going to get in here. Okay, first thing is a UK power lead. Take this bit of foam to take off. Nothing in there, but it's very thick. So we have a quick starter guide. It also says what I should have in here and what I don't. So let's go through the guide. So we have here a dear customer, just make sure you're on the right power. Levelling bit of paper. Okay, so in here is the Geeetech mouse nut you normally get with a Geeetech machine. We have a filament run-out sensor, some bolts, and a 4GB micro SD card. In here we have spanners. Actually, let's open it up. In here we have the filament spool holder. We have all the tools that will be needed, including some needle nose, we have a cleaning tool for cleaning the nozzle, and here we just have the Allen keys and wrenches. In here we have 2 nozzles. We also have the rest of the bolts. In this bag we have the spatula for cutting yourself on. This one is very blunt, so I'm not going to be slicing my hand open with that. Power lead, a minute roll of filament, Bowden tube, and some zip ties. Right, let's have a look at this. So it looks like it comes in 2 pieces, like most printers now. As this is the A20, it's got the white things that go in the extrusion. We have obviously the brass nozzle on the end. That's a fairly large. That looks okay. I'm not too sure what's inside it. It's a very big fan for the filament, and there is a fan in there obviously for the heater block as well. So that, this part here is 3D printed. We have, let's have a look. There's no wobble there, and it's very smooth as well, so that should be good. Should be easy to use and to install. Open this up. Okay, so I'm hoping it's got a bed to go with it. Yeah. So here we go. This is the A20. We have all the cables and all the wires here, all just need to be plugged in. Let's just pull that out of there. We have on the bed, we do have a cable strain there. Obviously that's wobbling a lot, but just needs tightening up on the screws underneath. So that's not a problem at the moment. We've got the Y end stop there, filament run out sensor, and all the other cables. This is just let's do a peel for you guys. I know that you like it. That part's done. And in here we just have a sheet of sticky. I mean, it says it's got M3 there, so obviously you put the M3 on it. You'll stick it on there, but I don't think I will be doing much with that. I'm not going to stick it down. Because I'd rather put a flex sheet on it. But for now it's just going to be for stock use at the moment. So let me move this out of the way for a second. There is nothing else in the box, just packaging material. So let's just put that back. I'll put this back. I'll get rid of the box. Actually, let's just leave the box there. So at the moment we've got the bottom half of the printer. The power supply is already on 230 volts, which is okay for the UK. I will more likely just be clipping that on for the first couple of prints to see how it goes, and then obviously this will go like so, but I'll do that in another video. This is just an unboxing, show you what I've got or what comes with it. So we've got the power lead, cable ties, filament holder, spatula, the nuts and bolts, printer lead as well. A very small, tiny amount of filament, which you're not going to be able to print a benchy from that. And a spare Bowden tube, which I've got Capricorn anyway, so I'm more likely to be using Capricorn on this. So that's that for now. I will leave it there. I'm hoping to do the build video tomorrow, and I'm hoping to have a table so I can not be doing this on the floor but more upright. So I will be building this tomorrow. I will also I will upload this video tomorrow morning, and then the build video I will do tomorrow morning, which will then be uploaded Saturday afternoon, and then I'll do a couple of prints and do a quick review on it and see what I can see, and we'll just go from there. Okay, so this is Dell's Logos, or Derek from Dell's Logos, and I'm just going to say, be yourselves. Oh, smash the thumbs up button if you do like it. I'm going to be bringing out some more videos now. I've got my little man cave, so this is what I'm hoping to do. I'll also be hopefully reviewing a few more printers coming along my way, and we'll just go from there. Okay, see you soon. Bye.